Okay, today's tutorial is how to clean the sticky steering wheel on C5 Corvette. Oops. Anyway, hot water, soap. We're going to try that, which I'm sure it's going to work. So anyway, this is a tutorial, but get you away, get you a towel, something, because it's going to get a little wet. So anyway. All right, get the steering wheel good and use the soft pad first, and after you're done, go ahead and start scrubbing on it. You know, just do the steering wheel itself, get in all the places, and you'll start seeing it coming off. Yeah, all it is it's just goo. Not goo, but y'all know. Anyway, we'll keep scrubbing this, and I'll do after what it looks like. Just keep dipping your hot water, keep your brush clean, your sponge clean. You know, use the other side if you have to. And scrub away. Okay, this is after the first pass. You don't need no fancy. You see it's back to normal now. But there's a few more spots I gotta hit. Up in here, still a little sticky. But here. But anyway, hot water, hot water. Little Dawn soap. After it's done, go ahead and just put your Armor All or whatever type of sealant, but you can see this stuff, it's like a glue. So get you a little sponge and just scrub away. She'll come off, and y'all can see it's not sticky anymore here. You remember me rubbing my finger. Now watch over here, you'll see where I didn't get. So let me find a place I didn't get. Yeah, right up in here. You can actually see it starting to peel up that stuff. But anyway, that's what you got to get off. It's hot water, hot water, Dawn soap. Get you a towel, stay clean. All right, she's coming out pretty good. I got her all clean to here, up in here. Just after you're done with this, get your air hose, blow all this out. You know, any way you can get it a little cleaner, but it's definitely coming. All this is done. This is good. It's got a little stuff, I gotta stop talking to the steering wheel and look through the camera to talk to the, anyway, sorry about that, guys and girls. And that's how you do it. It should come out just like that. Clear, no goo, and that'll get you cleaned up. And if you're real good, you put your little sticker over this, and woohoo, y'all know what that means, right? All soapy and wet. Corvette. Oh, I'm just playing with you. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody. Check it out, finished product. And if you really want to know if it's finished, take your towel, and you can rub a towel, and trust me, she'll stick. You see I still got a little bit and a little crease right there. Look how, you see how it's, I know some people, they wouldn't care about it, but I do. See how it's, so I'm gonna scrub a little bit more there, but look how smooth. All over here. Oh, I found, yeah, right there. And that was pretty good. You can see how it's wanting to, see what I'm talking about, y'all? Get your little towel, watch. It's hard to do the middle because I don't want to disconnect the horn. See? So we'll scrub there a little bit, and there a little bit, and that should be done. Then we'll put some sealant. And it'll be a wrap, so.